Are you tired of dealing with dry, flaky, or irritated skin? And doesn't matter how much moisturizer or cream you apply on the daily basis, it still doesn't help. Well, don't worry, because today I'm going to share with you this homemade solution that is going to completely transform your skin, leaving it hydrated, soft, and glowing. And the best part is that you can make this natural skin savior right at home easily with some natural ingredients. Dry skin or irritated skin is a major problem several people are suffering from. The problem is that the over-the-counter creams or moisturizers which are available do not work in these conditions. The reason being, most of these creams and moisturizer are not penetrating deep enough in your skin and not healing the third layer of your skin. So to prepare this solution, either you need to have a double boiler or use a heat safe bowl. What you need to do is that on a pot or a pan, you put 2 cups of water and then you start boiling that water. And then in that other heat safe bowl, you add 2 tablespoons of cocoa butter and then 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And then take that heat safe bowl and put it in that simmering water so that it can slowly heat your cocoa butter and coconut oil so that both of them can melt. Make sure they do not get overheated, and as soon as they both get melted, you remove it from that heat. And then in this mixture, you add 1 teaspoon of almond oil. You mix all of these 3 ingredients together really very well. Now, if you want this solution to smell well, then you can add some natural lavender essential oil. Just a couple of drops is good enough. Now, you need to let this mixture cool down until it solidifies. Either you can keep it in the refrigerator to accelerate the process, or you can just leave it at the room temperature and wait for it to solidify. And then when you see that the mixture is solidifying partially, that's the time you have to whip this mixture. Either you can use a hand mixer to whip this solution, or either you can just use a spoon and then you can use that to whip it all together. And this will make it into a really fluffy cream. Now you can transfer this body butter or cream into a clean airtight jar and you can store it in a cool and the dry place. Now initially when you're starting to use this cream, make sure you're using it twice a day. The first time you use it is after you take your shower. Immediately after bathing or taking a shower, you apply this cream. And the next time is that before your bedtime is where you apply this cream next time. You will notice a big difference in your dry, irritated skin just in few days if you use this mixture consistently twice a day.